Welcome back to Lake Math. Now we're subtracting fractions with different denominators. This is going to look very similar to when we were adding. We need to get a common denominator. Now, like if this was 6 and a multiple of the other number, then you only have to do with one side, but most of the time you're going to have to multiply both of them. So just like I said in the last video, 3 divided by 3 is just 1. 4 divided by 4 is just 1. Any number divided by itself is 1. So it might not look like it, but basically I'm going to multiply these both by 1 and make them look like they have common denominators. So I'm going to take this number, multiply the top and bottom. I'm going to take this number and multiply the top and bottom. So 4 times 2, I get 8. 4 times 3, I get 12. 3 times 3, I get 9. 4 times 3, I get 12. Now that I have a common denominator, I'm just going to subtract the tops, keep the bottom, and I'm done. In this case, I'm going to end up with a negative. Some people get confused by this, but this negative, whether it's here, here, or here, it's all the same. I just put mine out front, but you could put it on top or bottom, and it would still be the same number.